Welcome! If you would like to keep this workbook, you can get the ebook or the paperback edition on Amazon. The link is in the description below. Feel free to pause the video anytime if you need a little more time to read or think about a question. Let's begin. Question 41. The lone survivor navigated the ruined city with a wary step, pausing at every corner to listen for the clickers that hunted in the dark. As used in the sentence, the word in all caps most nearly means. Here are your choices. A. Cheerful and relaxed. B. Cautious and alert. C. Loud and careless. D. Exhausted and slow. The correct answer is B. Cautious and alert. Wary means watchful and careful about danger, which fits a survivor listening for monsters. Question 42. The mercenary agreed to guard the caravan, but only for a mercenary reason, the mountain of gold coins promised at journey's end. As used in the sentence, the word in all caps most nearly means. Here are your choices. A. Rooted in honor. B. Driven by loyalty. C. Motivated mainly by money. D. Based on friendship. The correct answer is C. Motivated mainly by money. Mercenary describes being motivated primarily by profit or payment, shown by the gold coins. Question 43. After the kingdom fell, the last knight wandered as an itinerant hero, never staying in one town longer than a single night. As used in the sentence, the word in all caps most nearly means. Here are your choices. A. Traveling from place to place. B. Cruel and violent. C. Wealthy and powerful. D. Famous and celebrated. The correct answer is A. Traveling from place to place. Itinerant means moving from place to place, matching the knight who never stays anywhere. Question 44. The villain's plan was so convoluted that even his own henchmen could not explain how the traps, spies, and betrayals fit together. As used in the sentence, the word in all caps most nearly means. Here are your choices. A. Poorly funded. B. Easily defeated. C. Perfectly simple. D. Extremely complicated. The correct answer is D. Extremely complicated. Convoluted means twisted and complex, fitting a plan too tangled for anyone to follow. Question 45. The ancient guardian remained impassive as the heroes pleaded, its stone face showing no flicker of emotion. As used in the sentence, the word in all caps most nearly means. Here are your choices. A. Secretly amused. B. Wildly furious. C. Showing no emotion. D. Overcome with grief. The correct answer is C. Showing no emotion. Impassive means expressing no feeling, matching the guardian's unmoving stone face. Question 46. The rogue's feigned surrender fooled the guards, who lowered their weapons just before she struck. As used in the sentence, the word in all caps most nearly means. Here are your choices. A. Pretended. B. Cowardly. C. Genuine. D. Total. The correct answer is A. Pretended. Feigned means faked or pretended, since the rogue only acted defeated to trick the guards. Question 47. The dragon's hoard was so vast that the party could not see where the mountains of gold ended in the darkness. As used in the sentence, the word in all caps most nearly means. Here are your choices. A. Hidden. B. Enormous. C. Tiny. D. Cursed. The correct answer is B. Enormous. Vast means extremely large, matching a hoard too big to see the end of. Question 48. The wandering merchant was known for his gregarious nature, striking up cheerful conversations with every stranger who passed his cart. As used in the sentence, the word in all caps most nearly means, here are your choices: A, greedy and dishonest; B, tired and weak; C, silent and shy; D, sociable and outgoing. The correct answer is D, sociable and outgoing. Gregarious means enjoying the company of others, matching a merchant who talks to everyone. Question 49. The oracle spoke in an enigmatic riddle, and the heroes argued for days over what her warning truly meant. As used in the sentence, the word in all caps most nearly means, here are your choices: A, short and rude; B, loud and angry; C, clear and direct; D, mysterious and puzzling. The correct answer is D, mysterious and puzzling. Enigmatic means mysterious and hard to understand, fitting a riddle no one can interpret. Question 50. The rebel's speech was so vehement that veterans who had never spoken up before rose to join her cause. As used in the sentence, the word in all caps most nearly means, here are your choices: A, weak and hesitant; B, confusing and dull; C, forceful and passionate; D, quiet and gentle. The correct answer is C, forceful and passionate. Vehement means showing strong, intense feeling, matching a speech that stirs people to act. Great work! Don't forget, you can print a free, customizable certificate of completion with the student's name on it. Just tap the link in the description. To keep practicing, get the full workbook on Amazon. The ebook is perfect for quick revision, and the paperback is best for real, hands-on practice. Thanks for learning with us.